Domestic violence is a serious problem. According to the Domestic Violence Resource Center, 1 in 4 women, 25%, has experienced an act of domestic violence in her lifetime. The abuse can be physical, verbal, financial, or sexual. Both men and women can be victims of domestic violence. If you or someone you love has suffered domestic violence, there is hope. New Jersey has a very strong law called the Prevention of Domestic Violence Act to protect you, your children, and your property from an abusive partner. The law breaks the process down into 2 steps: a temporary restraining order and a final restraining order. You can take these steps on your own, even if you cannot afford a lawyer. The first thing you should do if you need protection is file for a temporary restraining order. This can be done at your county courthouse or at your local police station. The videos in the TRO series will explain what a temporary restraining order is in more detail, and will walk you through the process of getting one. A temporary restraining order is just that, temporary. It is meant to provide immediate protection for a short period of time until your case can be heard by a judge. This hearing is called a final restraining order hearing. Usually, the FRO hearing will take place about 10 days after your temporary restraining order is granted, and the TRO itself will tell you when you are due back in court. During that time, you should think about what other protections or help you might need, and what you can do to convince the judge that you need them. The videos in the FRO series will help you think about these issues and prepare for the hearing. It covers topics such as preparing for court, what to expect in court, what happens if the final restraining order is granted, and what happens if the temporary restraining order is dismissed. Each video begins with a list of all the topics in that series, so that you can watch from beginning to end, or go directly to the topic you need most right now.
If you need legal advice or representation, you can see if you are eligible for our services by calling 1-888-LSNJ-LAW or completing our online intake at www.lsnjlawhotline.org.